Hello everyone, it's James in Japan. I'm in my kitchen and as you can see I'm making steak. I've got these big steaks. I've got 4 of them and I bought them at Lamu. Look at the size of these imported steaks from the US. They cost about 400 yen per piece. And I've got some onions and I'm going to tell you about my seasoning. For the seasoning, I put salt and pepper, rosemary, basil, oregano, and thyme. And I added some garlic and some Japanese wine. So I let everything marinate for a couple of hours, and then I came back to cook. The time is 5:40 p.m. And I've got potato wedges. They are in my toaster oven. Ooh, they look nice. Nice. It'll take about 20 minutes to cook. Potato wedges from Lamu. That costs about 200 yen. Pretty good for 1 kilogram. And I have steamed rice. Take a look at my pan. I'm going to turn down the heat. Oh my god, it smells Worcestershire. This time I'm not using Worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right? Anyway, check out this nice steak. Oh my god. Oh, would you look at my steak? Oh my goodness. It is so delicious looking. The aroma that's coming from the onions and the meat. Okay, anyway, I'm going to cook the next steak. Wow, look at all the herbs. Oh my god. Let's throw some onions. You know, I could have added butter, but I forgot to. And I'm gonna put some wine sauce. Yep, some wine from this. Don't want it too dry. Oh, just let this sit for 5 minutes and then I'll turn it over. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.